Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to explain the poem The Rain from your reader book. It's on page number 56 of your English literature book. Let me read the poem for you. The Rain. I hear leaves drinking rain. I hear rich leaves on top giving the poor beneath drop after drop. It's a sweet noise to hear, these green leaves drinking near. And when the sun comes out, after this rain shall stop. A wondrous light will fill each dark round drop. I hope the sun shines bright. It will be a lovely sight. W. H. Davis. The poem Rain is written by W. H. Davis, that is William Henry Davis, who is a great admirer of nature. He loves nature. In this poem, William Henry Davis has used a symbolic meaning for natural elements in his poem. The poem has two meanings. Firstly, the apparent meaning. It means the meaning of the words in the poem. Secondly, the underlying meaning, that is symbolic meaning of the poem, or we can say hidden meaning of the poem. The poem has been divided into two stanzas having 6 lines each. We will go through the meaning and also understand the hidden message of the poem. Let me read the first stanza for you. I hear leaves drinking rain. I hear rich leaves on top giving the poor beneath. The poor beneath here means the leaves growing lower on the tree. Drop after drop. It is a sweet noise to hear. These green leaves drinking near. The poet says that he often hears leaves drinking rain. Can you imagine a tree? When the rain falls, the topmost leaves get the rain first, and then it passes to the leaves under the top leaves. Rain here symbolizes money and resources. The leaves on the top represents the richer segment of the society, while the bottom leaves stand for the poor people in the society. Rich people have all the comforts and luxuries of life. After they have enjoyed, the rich people transfer those rich comforts and luxuries to the lower class of the society. That is the poor people in the society. The rich people get the opportunities first and then pass on the opportunities to the poor. It is a sweet noise to hear, these green leaves drinking near. Here, the poet says that he enjoys the rain. He enjoys the music which is created by the falling droplets on the leaves. This music gives him a lot of pleasure and enjoyment. Let us move to the second stanza. And when the sun comes out, after this rain shall stop. A wondrous light will fill each dark round drop. I hope the sun shines bright. It will be a lovely sight. Here, the poet says, when this rain will stop and the sun will come out, a wondrous means delightful light will fill each dark and round drop. That means it will fill each and every corner. The second stanza seems to be quite opposite of the first one because this stanza symbolizes hope and a better tomorrow. The poet hopes that one day there will be equality in the society. The poet hopes for the sun to shine bright and fill every darkest corner of the tree. Meaning, he wants everyone in the society to get equal opportunities. The poet thinks that it would promote harmony in the society. Thank you everyone. Hope you enjoyed today's class.